Welcome to a quick update from that crazy triangle guy. So here we are on the Bitcoin US dollar index, on looking at the 1 hour time frame, and you can see Bitcoin has consolidated here, finding support on the aqua line, which is the bottom of the parallel channel, as I speculated on the last video. Yeah, see, we did wick through on an hour with an hourly candle, but closed the candle body at the line. And a lot of times they'll do that, and that's how they get you. That's how they get you. So we're making a nice after U.S. market hours move here upwards after retesting the bottom of the triangle there. And if we break, I'm sorry, the bottom, yeah, it is the bottom of the triangle and a parallel channel, but it's also this ascending triangle here. If you can see, there's a very light line. Anyway, the target for a breakout from there would be the top of the channel. And if we're looking for a breakout above 26.3-ish, probably what would happen is we break out, come back down, test the top, and then move upwards to the top of the channel for about $1,000 move from there, from the top of the triangle. And as I think about it more and more, that's what I think we will move up quickly all of a sudden. Not sure when, not if we'll see this today or after the day closes. But we will see a sudden move, because you got to think about what they're doing. This is a fake out bear trap. They dumped on us on Tuesday, waited for the price to drop, and have all bought it up now. Now they, not sure who they are, but there's not just one they, there's many days. And they all want to get in. They're all trying to accumulate now. So the price isn't going to stay down here. They're not going to say, oh no, you first. So they're all trying to get their share. And they're being smart about it. And I guess maybe having some sort of respect for one another, but it'll move up quickly because they're trying to get you to buy high, sell high, sell as the price is dumping, and then suck up all your shares. So now the other thing, well, I wanted to point out while we're here, because I've heard people calling for lower prices. Now we've hit, and I've noticed as I change time frames, my lines aren't always matching up with the candles here. As I pointed out in one of the videos I made last night, the red line, we wick down to the red line. What is that? The red line has March of this year in common with the wick here, March, and the COVID crash of 2020, way back here somewhere, right there. Those are the 3 times we've wicked down this far. This red line is parallel to many other trend lines that go back years and years on the Bitcoin chart, all the way back to like 2013 or something like that. The only other time we've come below this parallel line was the COVID, was FTX collapse right here. So barring a black swan event, something like Binance going bankrupt or, kaput, I don't see us going below this red line. Okay, I've made this white line, which would indicate where we would come down to if we did have some sort of catastrophic event like that. And that area does match up with what a lot of people are calling for, like around 23 something, 23-ish, 23 and a half. If we dumped straight down from here. But again, I don't think that's likely to happen. It would take World War III, Binance going belly up. Not even that Chinese company going bankrupt or whatever is going to do it. It would take a lot to get past here. Anyway, the guys that just dumped on us are all buying right now. So they don't want it to go. They don't want it to go any further. They don't want to wreck this these assets. They just want to wreck them enough to suck up more tokens, more assets for themselves. And I'm sure you've heard of all the liquidations that happened in the past few days. It's over $1 billion or something like that. A lot of people got wrecked. So let's quickly look at the Total 3 as well. Oh, we're having a nice move up. And then look at that. Wow. We had a big dump, but it's all getting bought up. And look where we are. We're trading pretty much within that channel. Now, as I pointed out before, when you're on the daily time frame, you have these ghost wicks on the Total 3 that aren't really there. So let's go to a 12-hour. 12-hour kind of gives you a better idea of what's going on. So yeah, we did wick down there, but you can see, look at it all got bought up. And do I need to tell you who's buying all that up? So I imagine we'll continue on here. And I haven't gone any further than drawing a parallel channel here, but I imagine same as Bitcoin, we'll see a move upwards from here. Now, well, I'll leave it at that, and see you next time.